Hi everyone. So I have this USB rechargeable fan from D-Mart, but unfortunately the battery inside has died after 2 years. So we'll see how to go about replacing it. Just to show you what are the symptoms that come with a dead battery. Now this doesn't. Just wait for a bit and there you go. It has died. Now here's a micro USB cable, and if I try connecting it, so you can see that the light is blinking, it's charging. Now at this stage, the fan would work, so would the light. But then I disconnect the cable and there you go. The fan just shuts down. So we'll see how to go about replacing it. We have to do a bit of a soldering here. So you have 6 screws. Use a very small screwdriver Phillips bit to remove it. Once you have removed it, you can pry open this panel like that. So this is essentially the unit. You can see a very small circuit here with the 2 buttons, and you can see the battery here. Now this is that rechargeable battery, lithium-ion battery, and this has an 1800, you can see the specifications here. It says 1800 mAh, 3.7 volt, 6.6 watt hour. So let's take that out. You have a removable connector here. Just pull it out and it would come off like that. Now the next thing is to insert the replacement battery. Now I've got this replacement battery from a website called Robu. Robu is a very good website. I've got so many electronic components from the site. They ship pretty quickly, and they also have a faster mode of shipment using Blue Dart. So this is a replacement battery from Samsung with the part number ICR1865026J. Now this one has a better capacity, 2600 mAh. But the only thing is it does not have any leads. So you are going to have to remove this and solder it there. But that's not a big deal. We can do that. Dimension wise, it's exactly the same. So we don't have a problem fitting it inside the slot here. It would easily fit, as you can see here. So let's get with the soldering part done. So as always, this is negative and this part here is positive. So we have soldered both the ends. Now what we'll do is apply some hot glue here so the joint doesn't come off. So we have applied a bit of glue here. So this will ensure that the wire stays in place, doesn't come off, because the soldering isn't very nice, the kind you see which is shipped out from the factory. So what we'll do is we'll now install this. But before that, let's do a quick run to see if it works. All right. So yeah, this works as intended. Now what we'll do is we'll secure it inside this slot. So that's done. Connector is secure, firm. Now maybe a good idea to clean this cover as well. There was a lot of dust inside. I had used this for almost 2 years during the COVID time, and quite a value for money device, I'd say, because pushes a good healthy amount of air. Okay, so that completes the activity. Very simple and straightforward. All you've got to do is do a bit of soldering. In case you can't do it, just take that battery and the fan to small electronics shops that deals with repairs of these audio units, etc. They would do it for practically no price. So here we go once again. The fan works. Guys, just a heads up, the data sheet of this Samsung battery specifically indicates that you don't charge this for beyond 3 hours. Lithium-ion batteries hate to be overcharged. So you don't basically charge this, you leave it for charging just like that. Use it, and if the battery drains, charge it, and don't keep it for more than 2.5 to 3 hours. So that extends the life of the battery. And in fact, we have upgraded the size of the battery from 1800 mAh to 2600. So that's going to be a good upgrade as well. So hope you like this video. In case you did, don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.